Alex, we're keeping you with your nephew Lily. Who? Your nephew Lily? You never told me I have a nephew. You never knew? No. But we're keeping you with the nephew. Okay? Okay, so there's 3 rules only. Don't eat too much junk food, no shoes in the house, and that's all. Alright, bye Alex, have fun. Bye Dad. Hi, I guess. Hi. Hey, leave your shoes. Why? Why would they ever listen to your mom? Only if it was my mom. Oh, cute cat. Hey, let anyone sleep. Like in your dreams. Let him sleep. Hey, don't snatch that from me. It's my cat, my house, it's my rules. And you heard what my mom and dad said? No shoes in the house. Who cares? Hey, let me try. Hey, stop. Let me try. Hey, stop. You just broke my iPad. Sweet, now you can't record anything that I say. Alright. So, when they come back, there's nothing you can do. Oh my god, I hate you. Same, who said I ever had a nephew? Me too. This is gonna be a while. Nothing what you have here. Hey, don't eat too much junk food. Stop yapping. I can do whatever I want. I'm older than you. Who said we're the same age? So, does it look like I care? Oh my god. Does he have anything else in here? Hey, stop! Give me those. Stop! You can do that. Well, I can do whatever I want. It's my house. You're so annoying. Put these back. Ouch! Why did you do that? Huh? Now you can't hit a woman. So give me those back. Oh my god. I hate you. Same. Hey, at least give me something. Hell no. Give me that. It's my boba. Give it back. Oh. I'm not giving it back. You have to listen to my parents' rules. Well, I'm not. So good luck. Oh, good luck. Oh my god, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. I don't care if you get in trouble. Now let me eat this. That's yummy. And also, by the way, give my boba back. Hey, stop it! Well, why do I need to stop it? And even if I told them you assaulted me, I don't care because you can do anything. And give me that iPad. I'm gonna watch TV at the same time. Oh, peach fizz. Don't eat too much junk food. I'm putting this in the bin before you eat more. Oh my god, I hate my nephew. Put this over there. I'm getting bored. Ooh, what's this? PS5? Stop peeling my stuff! You can do that, give me it back. No, you give me it back. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop it! Oh my god. Ooh, Stanley. Let me drink from that. Hey, it's my sister's. Where's your sister at? She's with her friends, right? Give me it back. No, it's my sister's. It's her property. I don't care. Well, I'm gonna lock this place up. Oh my God, I hate you. Same. I'm gonna go upstairs. Hey, what are you doing? I wanna sleep. No way, you have squishies? Oh, wow. Oh my God. Where's your bedroom? You have to have more. You have the needle collection. These are my needles. Get away. No, you have to give me one. I'm not giving you one. Not even a single one. Give me one or else. I'm going to tell them that you hit me. I don't care. Tell them. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to tell them anyways. I don't care. I'm going to go downstairs. Make me a burger. Stop. Can you get out of the way, please? No, I cannot. Hey, where are you going? I'm going to the kitchen. Where am I going then? What are you going to make in the kitchen? None of your business. You have nothing good. Take this, you fatty. What did you just call me? I called you a fatty. You're the fatty. Look at you. Hey. Oh, you have to have something. Pizza? Really? That's the only thing you have? Pizza's not healthy for you. I don't care. And some of this also. Alright. Pour me some chocolate milk. Are you kidding? How much do you have to pour? A lot. I love it so much. Oh, that's enough, I think. No, I'm just gonna take this sip and then I'm gonna take another one. Oh, you're kidding me. I love some of that. Hey, put that glass back where it belongs. Now it's your house, I get is what you said. Oh my God. Okay, fine. Hey, give it back. Nope. Hey, why did you do that? I can do whatever I want. No, you can't. You just broke that glass. It's not my problem. Oh my God. Oh my God, I hate you so much. You can't do anything about it. What else? Who's the fatty now? Just going to the kitchen every time. Hey, get away from my kids. Get away from my cat. No, it's cute. I want to play with that a little bit. It's annoying when go to sleep. I don't care. I want to play with it. Oh no! Give it back. Alright, I'm going to play on your PS5. Stop it. You can't do anything about this. Okay. Let's see where I can go buy. You're gonna actually go buy? Yeah. With your credit card. It's my dad's. Alright, I'm gonna go buy with your dad's credit card then. Hey! Come back! I'm locking this door. Why did you do that? You're not going anywhere. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, you're not. Fine. I'm gonna go upstairs and sleep. finally some peace. And now I can finally play with his needle collection. Oh, this probably one's the best one yet. Okay, the normal cube needle, I guess. Ice cube. Oh, I'm getting kind of tired. I want to go to sleep. Oh, the sister's bedroom looks kind of comfy. Oh. There's no password on it. Perfect! And I put some headphones on also to relax. Hey, what are you doing in my sister's room? What does it look like I'm doing? Stop touching your phone! No, oh my, and her headphones, oh my. What can I do to stop you? Nothing. Oh guys, we're home. Open the door. I'm gonna tell them everything. No one gonna go back down. Act like I'm normal. Alright, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say that I wore my struggles right now. Alright. Oh guys, open the door. Yeah? Oh, how's your day? Bad. She was the worst nephew in the world. Dad, Mom, Mrs. and Mr. Alex, you won't believe what Alex did to me. First, he snatched the junk food out. First, I took some junk food from his hand because he was gonna eat a lot of junk food. No way. Alex, you're making me mad. Then, he tried to hit me. What did you just say? Alex tried to hit me. And then he grabbed a knife and tried to stab me. I'm kind of falling into the kitchen right now. Alright, what's wrong here? First, he broke this glass. It's so sad, I can't stop. And then he took everything from the pantry and there's no more junk food. Alex, you get over here. Oh my God. And then I asked to use his iPad, but you snatched it from me and said you're not using it, like you ugly pig. Alex, what did you just say to her? Dad, I swear I didn't say that. Oh yeah? Then who did? She's just making it up. You have no proof. Why are you laughing? You're in big trouble. No, it's just because she took my iPad, not my watch. Alright, let's hear this. Like people actually believe you? No way. No actual way. And even if we tell them, I'll just tell them that you assaulted me. I gotta call them right now. Hey, Mrs. Jack, and hey, Mrs. and Mr. Lily. Hi. Well, I just want you to come here and hear this. Alright, so put it again, Alex. Uh, I don't think you should put it again. I don't think you should put it again. It's appropriate. There's no reason for putting it. Put it. Oh, I'm cooked. Even if you said that you didn't, I'll just tell them that you assaulted me. Lady, we are so mad of you. So mad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just didn't want to get in trouble. There's no reason for even acting like that. All you have to do is just go down, watch TV. That's all you could have done. I just wanted to get someone in trouble. For what reason? Exactly. We're going home. And remember that iPad that we got you for the graduation? We're canceling that. Sorry. And we're taking about your phone, your PS5, every electronic you have. I'm sorry. Haha, Karma. We're going home right now. What was all that about? It was nothing. It was just, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Oh well, it sounded funny, I guess. It was kind of funny, I guess. I was trying to hold my laugh. And what happened to all that junk food in here? Oh yeah, she just took them away. She just started eating them. Oh, she was the one. Yep. Alright, everybody, if you enjoyed this, hit that like and subscribe button. And I just hit 80 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for that. If you want to subscribe, you can, or I'm not asking you to do. If you want to, and I hope you have a